this Brailee? An Idaho State state champion?
Idaho State cheerleader. I am doing signatures at 2 o'clock.
Meet me in the lobby. We had so much fun cheering for Bray, huh?
Yeah.
You did
Let's
awesome.
go, Highland.
Brailee hurt her knee like we talked about. She still freaking nailed it.
I landed my standing tuck at the very beginning of my... At the very first routine, at the very beginning, I landed my tuck and it popped out. And then we went into like a knee drop and I popped it back in and kept going. And it was the scariest moment of my life.
You did awesome. I'm so proud of you. You did great. Oh my. Look at that backpack. That goes on your back, not your belly. It's not a belly pack. We had a lot of fun. It was crazy. Yesterday somehow felt like 3 days. I'm not kidding. It was the weirdest. It's like, how is it? Like by 5 o'clock, I had already felt like I had lived 2 days. And then on to the next. But it was really good. It was fun. It was just a little chaotic because it didn't plan well. We were supposed to be going on a trip for spring break today. But those plans fell through, so we had to change our plans, and I didn't have a room for her last night. Anyways, and everything was sold out, but we found one. And all is well. Gage is playing lacrosse today, so we're missing that. Super bummed. But Casey's coaching, so that's where the boys are. The girls are here. Fun. So spring break is this upcoming week. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. If we're just gonna hang. We're really looking forward to maybe some warm weather, but I don't know if it's gonna happen.
I need to tell you something. This is a hotel room.
Oh yeah, it is. Just in case you didn't know, this is the hotel room. Okay, we're gonna go do some shopping, eat some yummy food. We went to cheesecake last night, and then make the 4-hour drive home. Layla was promised dresses, so
And I'm getting a dress
also
for my cheer banquet.
Brailee's getting a dress for cheer banquet, so super exciting day. I'm not getting a dress. I don't need a dress. I just looked up a recipe on Pinterest for baked oatmeal, and I'm about to make some, but this is what I'm using. That looks disgusting. How old is this bag? I don't know. Anyways, it looks really, really easy, so I'm going to give it a try and let you know.
Eggs.
Yeah, 1 egg. Thank you to our chicken. I ditched those other berries and I'm using these sweet cherries. I love cherries, and these are in a lot better shape. The other bag was definitely left open and what's really gross. Even more gross on the inside than the outside. So we're doing cherries. Here is everything mixed up. You just mix all the ingredients. Next I'm going to line this little pan with the cherries and then put this on top, and then I'm gonna bake it. You bake it on 350. Hopefully this is right. It seems like I don't have enough of the mixture. I don't know. It also says to add more berries to the top, but since these cherries are so big, I'm not going to add any more to the top because I have a feeling that when it all bakes, it will be just fine. So anyways, I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll show you when I pull it out. It looks really good. I love oatmeal. I don't know how healthy this is, but it looks really good. It's done and it smells so good. It looks good. Are you gonna try some of this, Layla?
No way.
No way.
What is it?
It's oatmeal. Whoa, but
I like oatmeal.
You don't like oatmeal? What? This is like a dessert though. This would be so good with peaches. Don't touch it because it's super hot, okay? So keep your little hands back here. But there's a food truck that makes a peach crumble or a peach crisp around here, and they just brought it back. So hopefully this will take its place. Hey, you need to zip those boots up. That's why you keep wobbling. They're slippery on this floor, and your little ankles are going to be wobbly. Do you want me to zip them?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I zip them, I'm like, I want to zip them and I can't zip them.
Okay, I got you, girl. Okay, this looks so good. I probably have like 2 servings here. It's fine. And then I just put some Greek yogurt on the side. Oh, yum. And it was so easy. Yes, Layla, you can watch JoJo Siwa Boomerang for the 9,000th time today.
I'm
also terrified of your driving?
I'm a good driver. I'm just extra safe. That's what you guys think is so bad, but it's good actually.
It is good. You're a good driver. I'm just teasing. I just wish that you weren't driving my car. That's all. that's mostly the main thing. It's spring break.
And we're stuck at home doing nothing.
Bum, bum. We did have plans, they fell through, so everyone's pretty bummed. And not only that, it's friggin' cold here. So it was like pretty warm last week.
Yeah.
And this week is just really cold.
And they're like, oh, you want a warm week? Well, psych, just kidding. You don't get one.
When I was growing up, spring break was always during Easter, which makes more sense to me. Because,
Yeah,
you know, you want time off for Easter. And it was always a little warmer because it's a little later in the spring because the springtime here, you just never know.
The sun's really in my eyes right now, so.
Oh, let's see, Brailee. Oh, so bright.
Oh, I was gonna go for it. Then I got scared.
Good job. Way to be cautious.
I just don't want to break your car, you know?
We should have gotten Brailee a car for her to drive around because I am very paranoid of you driving my car because mistakes happen.
Crash, I won't get
That's
insurance.
okay. That's understandable. But I just don't want it to happen in my car. You know?
Yeah.
Anyways, let us know what you guys have been up to.
Yeah,
Do you have plans for spring break? Anyways, we're going to get soda barn.
And we just got candy.
Oh, that is bright.
SOS.
Hopefully. Golly!
Sorry, how to make it
That turn.
Coming.
Hopefully we'll do something fun. I don't know what. Casey said maybe we could go to Island Park.
Oh, really? Really?
What? Go, Bray.
Okay.
Maybe we could go to Island Park and rent snowmobiles and go snowmobiling. And honestly, 2 weeks ago I'd have been like, that sounds so fun. But because we were planning on being warm and we were a little bit spoiled last week, the thought of that just isn't intriguing to me whatsoever. So, and now everything's sold out. There's nowhere to go.
All of our friends are gone. One of them just got a new job. So now you're stuck at home by yourself.
Heads are falling off.
Now we're just stuck at home and we're avoiding doing our chores.
We really have tried to think of everything and just nothing.
Just kidding. I actually
out.
was hoping. Just kidding. Maybe I shouldn't say that. But
That we weren't gonna go.
No, I was like kind of. No, after I found
That
out we
was
weren't
your
going.
fault then.
After I was finding out we weren't going.
You manifested
No!
this.
After I was finding out I wasn't going, I was kind of like, I hope I'm quarantined because I did not want to go to school. I just kind of like want to lay in my bed,
Welcome
you know?
back to quarantine. This is exactly what we were doing
But now I'm
last year.
stuck at home and I'm
Stuck
seriously
at
so
home.
bored. But I mean, I still gotta go out.
Oh man. Anyways, that's what we're up to.
Anyways, hashtag Spring Break 2021.
Super exciting.
Great.
What's been going on in here?
Castle.
Some movie making. That's what's been going on in here. Do you guys want to see the movies that Layla and Winston made?
I want to make two and I need one.
Should we show them?
Yeah.
Should we show them? Here it is. Or are you guys? What are you building over there?
I'm done with my castle.
They were playing a game. Now they're building a castle. I mean,
And King
who
Kong.
stays more entertained during spring break than these two? No one.
Hey,
look
Mom.
at everything that's been happening.
Hey, Mom. So you wouldn't be wondering why is a King Kong? King, and there's a castle. He's King of Kong.
Nice.
What is it called?
Gourmet dinner tonight, mac and cheese. That's what they wanted. So yes,
Mac and cheese with meat.
and some peas.
And can I?
They're a favorite, huh?
Yeah. And soda.
And soda. We need to stop with the soda. And Rosie's baking. I already gave her some steak, and she's gonna bake for more. Huh. I was gonna give Rosie a haircut. I haven't been brave enough.
It's a giant. It's
Like,
a
why
giant
wouldn't I?
wolf.
Do you trust me, Rose? Do you trust me?
That's giant. Are you a giant? The savior of the world. The valley of the wolf is in his. Venom. And it's Kong's job to destroy and help. This one. Hold this, hold it close. Hold it at me. At the job. Kong won the fight. Now you and I, Bobby and Jojo, on my text. And all of this stuff, that's Jojo, and that's my favorite Bobby. So I can't wait to do this video, and my mom is going to show it on TikTok. YouTube.